One of the most important tasks that every prepper should undertake is storing water. You can never store too much water. You need it for drinking, cooking, showering, washing, flushing, and so much more. During a crisis, if the water lines are damaged, the faucets in your house may run dry. If the water processing plants are compromised, you may get water coming into your home, but the water may contain bacteria and parasites. That's why it's crucial that you never drink water straight from the tap during an emergency. You can use a water purification treatment or a personal water filter to filter the water before drinking it. While these measures are helpful, some people may still feel queasy drinking purified water. This is perfectly understandable. In fact, in many places, such as ships and other facilities, huge amounts of Datrex emergency water is stored just in case of any disaster. Datrex has also made emergency water pouches for families to use. This is filtered water that's perfectly safe for drinking. Each pouch contains about 4.2 fluid ounces, and the best part of it all? The water can stay fresh for up to 5 years in the harshest environments. This is fantastic. Do note that several customers who did purchase this product mentioned that some packs leaked during shipping. One reason for this could be due to poor handling by the postal companies. After all, if one has seen the leaked videos of packages being tossed around by postal staff, it wouldn't be hard to imagine why a water pouch would burst or leak. When you do get these water pouches, place them in Ziploc bags and seal the bags. Place the pouches in a cool and dry place. Even if the pouch leaks, the water will stay within the Ziploc bag. You can always pour the water into a cup and drink it later on. When storing water for survival situations, estimate roughly how much water you drink daily. Most people need about 7 to 8 glasses of water daily, even if most of us barely drink that amount. However, in the event of a crisis, you may sweat more and end up doing more manual work because the power is down, so you'll probably need more water. The Datrex water pouches are for you to drink. You only need potable water for drinking and cooking. For other uses such as showering or flushing, you can store water in huge drums at home and just purify them with a water purification tablet as and when you need to. Drinking water is more important because you are consuming it. One thing to note is that the pouch is a polymer foil pouch. After a while, the water will take on the taste of the pouch. While not harmful, you should be aware that water takes on the taste of the container after a while. This is why, if you store water in an empty Coca-Cola bottle, you can't but feel that the water has a Coke smell and slight taste to it after a while. Now you know why. To conclude, these Datrex emergency water pouches can be very useful in times of crisis, like an earthquake or flood when you don't have access to drinking water. They're very affordable and last a long time. This is definitely a wise investment for survivalists and preppers.